Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Aldi to look at their new finds. Oh my goodness, they are stocked with a lot of goodies and I can't wait to show them to you. So let's go. Crofton 13-piece kitchen tool set is $14.99. It comes in this beautiful green and black. So nice, love that. George Foreman 5-serving grill is $24.99. It's space-saving, designed for easy storage, fast, even cooking, and 3 times more durable advanced George Touch non-stick coating. Here we have Crofton Mini Bakeware for $3.99. It comes in blue, purple, and green. Yes, so it has the loaf pan, the pizza pan, and the muffin pan. Really nice. Huntington Home lid sorter. It is $7.99. So it comes in black and it comes in silver. Great deal. Something I need right now. Okay, Crofton on the go assortments, $3.99. So they have this collapsible water bottle on the go, the sandwich container on the go, and the cutlery set on the go. It's a 3-piece cutlery set, all for $3.99, guys. Oh yes. Crofton ice tray and container, $6.99. It comes in black, white, and purple. Crofton 7-piece knife block set is $14.99. It comes in gray and in blue. Oh yes. They also have the handle, nice grip handle, so it won't slip out of your hand. I love that. Crofton compact dish drainer, $9.99. This one comes in gray and in black. Oh yes, I absolutely love this, guys. Great deals this day. Right here are the easy storage underbed storage bin for $9.99. They also have the lid with it, guys, so yes. And these handles, so it'll click on the side to keep the handle down. Love that feature. We have Soul Furniture Couch Table for $14.99. This is it right here. Really nice. So it's walnut, it has a walnut finish, used as a side table, TV tray, or computer stand. Takes up minimum floor space. Yes, $14.99, can't beat it. Here we have the Queen or King 300 count sheet set for $29.99. It comes in tan and gray. Right here are the Huntington Home light blocking window curtains. They're $7.99. They come in this peach and this gold metallic color. Yes, so it says it's a blackout, saves energy, and has the rod pocket style. Okay. Huntington Home sheet set, full or queen, is $9.99. So it says it's wrinkle resistant, 100% polyester microfiber, fits mattresses up to 16-inch deep. 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. The twin or twin XL sheet set is $7.99. And right here we have the wedge pillows. Oh yes, they're $14.99. Oh, such beautiful colors, guys. Aren't these beautiful? They also have the little handle right there for easy carry, I guess. Yeah. So yes, they come in this brown, burnt orange look color. And they come in this pink, this yellow, and this tan or off-white. We have Huntington Home decorative area rugs, and they're $29.99. They come in 3 different colors, and the size is 4.4 by 5.10. And here are all the beautiful colors. So that's gray, tan, blue, I would say orange, peach, and black. Yeah, feels really nice. Nice backing on it so that it won't slide. Yeah. So right here we have laundry hamper by Easy Home for $6.99. It has these smooth sides too. Yes, I like that. All sleep positions bed pillows for $6.99. So the jumbo is size 20 by 28. So yes, jumbo is the only size that I see as well. Here we have a reversible comforter for $14.99. It comes in twin/twin XL and full/queen. So those are the two sizes that they have. And they also have two different patterns, which would be this white and tan, and then this peach here. This rattan lamp by Huntington Home is $29.99. Such a beauty. Let's see. So it says the cord length is 5 feet, E26 bulb socket. It has an on-off rotary switch-on bulb socket. Okay. Right here we have a foldable storage ottoman for $12.99. So it comes in this gray, this orange, and a black. Yeah. Padded top for comfort, easy setup and fully collapsible, provides hidden storage space, and the weight capacity is 200 pounds. Huh. Oh, that's great. Great deal. So right here we have Huntington Home wood lid candle for $4.99, guys. Oh yes. So this one says grateful, feeling good, and serenity. Yes, I love those names. $4.99. And coming over to Crofton pans. They're ceramic pans. They're $14.99. So we have the saucepan, and they come in blue and in green. We have the frying pan, and we have the two-piece ceramic frying pan set. Yes. And they all have the stainless steel handle. Yes. And they're all $14.99 each. Crofton reinforced silicone bakeware is $6.99. So we have the mini muffin pan, the donut pan, the square pan, and the rectangular pan. Oh yes, all these beautiful colors, guys. Blue, purple, and green. Huntington Home mesh drawer organizer, $6.99. So this one has a sturdy metal frame, 3 separate compartments on this one. Yes. And right here, Crofton 20-piece flatware set, $14.99. Oh my goodness, can you believe this, guys? And how adorable are these? The handles are so skinny, and I love that. Really pretty. I only see it in blue and in pink, purple. Belgian waffle maker is $14.99. I see it in black and in blue. It makes 1-inch thick waffles, non-stick cooking plates, adjustable temperature dial, and it's 1100 watts. So this is the Crofton food storage containers. You get a 26-piece set for $9.99. Lids with airtight closures. So that's what they have, and that is a great feature. Great price for this. Ambiano high-speed blending system is $19.99. It has stainless steel blades and is easy to clean, and it comes with 11 pieces. Yes. And so it comes in black, purple, and blue. They also have this 2-quart compact air fryer for $29.99. High performance circular heat technology, adjustable temperature and timer, dishwasher safe, crispy tray, and basket. Oh yes, another item that Ambiana has is the single serve coffee maker. It comes in those beautiful colors, and it is $49.99. It's a 2-in-1 brew ground coffee or K-cup pods. Reusable filter included for your favorite ground coffee. Yes. This 4-piece, well 8-piece if you add the top, glass meal prep containers for $12.99. It comes in blue, gray, and green. Crofton bakeware set. You get a 4-piece set here for $12.99. So it includes a large sheet, a medium sheet, a small sheet, and a heavy gauge carbon sheet for even heat distribution. Yes. $12.99. Oh my goodness, guys, it's getting better and better. I can't believe it. Now, guys, if you have not, please go ahead and like the video for me. And if you like my content, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you here. Huntington Home 2-pack cabinet shelves. They're $7.99. They come in silver or gray and black. Yes, a 2-pack. So right here is Huntington Home 20 by 34 kitchen accent rug for $5.99. Can you believe that? $5.99, guys. They have all these pretty colors. Oh my goodness. Not gonna beat it, guys. $5.99. Nowhere but at Aldi. And right here by Huntington Home is this beautiful 2x6 Berber stripe utility runner for $9.99. Oh yes. And they have 4 different patterns or designs. So yes, this is the blue, the tan or brown, the black, and the gray. There's a gray. And right here by Huntington Home is this 10.5 gallon stainless steel trash can for $24.99. Easy assembly, spring open lid, removable plastic ring to hold trash bags. Oh yeah. And here by Huntington Home is this Pensonic Shepherd Throw for $12.99. Come in all these beautiful colors. That yellow, oh my goodness, it is bright. That tan, this burnt orange, white, and green. So pretty. It's a 50 by 60. Those are the dimensions. Feels pretty good. Yep, it feels pretty good. Now right here we have a collapsible laundry basket. It is $9.99. Oh yeah. So over here is the spin mop set. It is $24.99. It comes in blue and in gray. It also includes an additional mop head. So that is great. Panel air circulation fan. It is $19.99. It has 4 fan speeds, outlet operation, built-in handle, up to 2 hours, 6 timer settings. Is the French Market umbrella. It is $39.99. It comes in tan and orange or peach orange. Funny colors. You guys know how these colors goes. Okay, so over here is the boho decorative pillow for $12.99. It also has like these little fringes on the side. Yes. So it says it's a 3D texture fabric, offers comfort and stylish design. So yes, it's in this gray tan and this off-white or cream. Okay. Okay guys, so now I'm going to do my walk back to let you guys know what my picks are for this week. And my first pick is going to be this decorative area rug. It's a 4x5 for $29.99. I love the wedge pillows for $14.99. Love. This comforter set for $14.99. I'll take that. Oh my goodness. This foldable storage ottoman here for $12.99. Love that. It holds up to 200 pounds, so that is a great find. And this collapsible laundry basket. Oh my goodness, something to save space. I'll take it. and it is only $9.99. The 10.5 gallon stainless steel trash can, $24.99. It's a yes for me. That compact dish drainer for $9.99. I'll take it in black. Oh my goodness, the 7-piece knife block set for $14.99. That's a yes. The ice tray and containers, love that, for $6.99. All of the Crofton pans here for $14.99. Yes, yes, and yes. There are 3 different pieces. Love that. The silicone reinforced bakeware for $6.99. It's a yes for me. Oh, this 20-piece flatware set, $14.99. A yes. Oh my goodness. I just need to say everything, right? I'm sorry, but I love it all. This Belgian waffle maker, I just love that blue. So cute, so petite. $14.99. George Foreman grill for $24.99. Love that. This 13-piece kitchen set tool set, $14.99. It's gonna be a yes. Oh my goodness, this Crofton food storage container, 26 pieces for $9.99 with the airtight lid. Yes and yes for me. And oh my goodness, Ambiana, all of their kitchen gadgets here. Absolutely love it. Starting with this high-speed blending system for $19.99. I'll take that one in black. The 2-quart compact air fryer, that is $29.99. I'll take it in black. And the coffee maker, the single-serve coffee maker, $49.99. I don't know if it comes in black. I did not see black, but if it's in black, I'll take it. Okay? And yes, those are my favorites for this week. I should just start saying, I love it all. I love it all, because I do. All right, guys, well, that's it for this week. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you all here. And just remember, guys, I come to Aldi every week. I do the ads, and then I do a store walkthrough every Wednesday. So if you love Aldi like I do, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I would love, love, love to have you and your friends here. Absolutely. I also visit places like garden centers like Lowe's and Home Depot, Walmart, just all of the wonderful stores we all love. So go ahead and subscribe. I love to have you. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you on the next one.